got the board. Well, not the board, but got the speakers all rewired up. Got the lights on, so ready to take it on inside. And set it on up in there. Alright, everybody, I had to get my little battery pack to hook back up to the cam right quick. So, alright, so I'm back inside the car. Got the board, got it inside already. I just finished wiring it to the amplifier, so we should be pretty good to go there. And I just connected my LED lights, so about to fire it up and make sure that they work. Here's my switch right here, so let's dim the light here and let's see what we got. Oh yeah, we're in business. Just to show y'all what the whole board look like a little bit. Yes. We're in business, y'all. Yeah. And that's my amp board right there. Alright. We looking good, y'all. And cut it off. Alright. Those are straight now. So I'm about to go ahead and tuck these wires in and get ready to start back bolting it up. Yep, almost done. Almost at the finish line. That's what I call it, almost at the finish line. Alright. Let me move this extra stuff out the way right quick. Throw that back there. Same with these. Don't need none of this. Sling all that. Put it all back there. There you go. Now, alright, let me position this camera a little bit for y'all. I'll hook this board up. Look, that ain't gonna work. Just knock the thing clean down. Look, I'm gonna just go ahead and just sit it right here. How about that? We'll just sit it right there. Now let me do my thing. Okay. I took this underneath. Alright, get that out of the way. I see what it is. Got my antenna over there blocking. Alright. As for these, let's draw that in a little bit more. That way we had these kind of lined up. Matter of fact, I'm gonna probably tie those. Yep, do that. Drag that over just a little bit more. Alright. Alright, there we go. Kind of get that one from being a little Alright, there we go, got it sitting in now. I just gotta tighten this little side over here. But yeah, we are all connected up. Just gotta bolt them up. Set my antenna over. Yep, we are good to go now. Remove this extra stuff here out the way I don't need. Yeah, that was real fun. Oh, and by the way, yeah, I did add some a little kill mat up underneath that board to that metal back there. So yeah, make sure I got it a little solid. So now comes the fun part. Getting back here, bolting this up again, cleaning this little mess up. Hey, then the box and the panels are going back in. Yep, you know it. Alright, y'all, let's get to it. Alright, everybody. I am done with the board. Everything is all wired up, put back together. As you can see, wires kind of like all tucked in pretty much on there. Everything is all together. Let's hit the switch, make sure everything's working. There we go. Yep. Everything's working good. Trunk, the doors. Alright. Turn it off. And now comes the fun part. Putting the subwoofer box back in and the panel, so that way I cover all this here up. Yep. Make it look good. Y'all see that extra power sitting over there in that corner? Yes. Alright, y'all. Let's go ahead and knock this out. There's my panels over there, subwoofer box right here. We about to get business so we can handle our business. Let's go, y'all. Alright. Everything is back in. As you can see, side panels in, hooked up, subwoofer box connected. Alright, let's kill this light. And let's see if all the lights are lighting up. Alright, hit the switch. Back here. Yes, sir. All blued out. Got the rear all hooked up. Yes, indeed. All right, everybody, give me a comment. Tell me what y'all think. See, I got everything looking pretty good there. Doors over there. Go to amp rack, of course, back here. And of course, I got it up here too. All on the sides. Yeah. I can say mission accomplished. Turn the light back on. Alright, we can go ahead and turn this off. Raise these back up. So that is it, y'all. I am finished. LEDs are all connected, all good. 6x9 rewired. Tightened up the wires behind the subwoofer box. Panels all back together. And I can say it's definitely good to go, y'all. So hey, look, appreciate all my old subscribers and new subscribers. Appreciate all the support, y'all. Let's keep moving forward. Make sure y'all comment, share, and subscribe. I need all y'all support. Hey, look, I'm on the road to 1K, and I'm knocking on that door. So I am done with this, y'all. All vacuumed out. Y'all can't wait to crank it up. Let's get a little boom boom going. Yes. Matter of fact, let me do that. Just get a little beat going. Let's try that out right quick. Don't worry, I ain't gonna do no copyright. Just a little something soft. Nah, I'm gonna do that next time for y'all on that there. That way I really get to flex everything. But look, I just had to have fun with y'all with that. But hey, look, I appreciate everybody. Like I said, I'm on that road to 1K. So let's get it, let's get it. Hey, you know, like I say, when I finish one, on to the next one, y'all. That's right. You never know what's coming. Click that notification bell so that way you'll know whenever I drop a video, you'll know. You'll be the first to know. So, hey, I am out of here. About to clean up this mess on this floor. I am done. So, check y'all on the next one.